Hey y'all, how you doing? It's been a minute, but I just want to check in with you. I just recently did some rope twist inspired by this picture that I saw of Ciara. I absolutely loved her hair, so I figured I would try to do this style myself. So thanks for clicking on the video. I'm going to give you a tutorial of what I did to accomplish this look. I have an ombre look. Hers was just plain black, but let's get into the video. Stay tuned. All right, so as you saw, I started with washed and blow dried hair. I'm parting my back section into a large portion because I was trying to imitate Ciara's look, the size, everything of her her twist. So I saw that picture and I was like, okay, let's do it. We're gonna do this. So that's what you're seeing here. So some of the products that I used, and you'll see here, was the Murray's Edge Wax, Eco Styler Gel, and hair grease. I also put some Dew Grow on my rubber bands that I'm going to use for the twist. I did use the rubber band method. As you saw, I put in there, I tried to do the crochet method. So here I am, child. Remember I said it's attempt number 1. I think here in this attempt is what made it not go so well. It was because my hair was moisturized. One, I did the moisturizing while blow drying my hair, and then I used the Murray's, and Murray's is more of a, it's not really an edge control, so to speak. It's just like a grease, a pomade. Okay, so let's say that's what it is. It's a pomade. So it's still kind of greasy. So once I did that, and then I had the oil on the rubber bands, and my hair was already moisturized, it just was not good, you guys. I tried to do, I didn't even have video. I did these sections. I did large sections in the back, and it was a fail. Sad day. So now let's go with attempt number 2. So my crochet method did not work, but then I found a video on YouTube, and I don't even remember the young lady that I watched, but what she did was she did her sections and then she broke it up into 2. So that's what I'm doing here. I switched up my edge control, child. I got rid of Murray's. I'm putting my edge control on, and then I split that. There we go. Now I'm gonna put the extension hair in the middle of this section. Watch me work, y'all. Okay, so now, excuse the middle finger, that's my longest finger. I wasn't flipping nobody off, in Jesus' name. Now, now I'm gonna put my rubber band on that section. Okay, this was a godsend. I love this method. I will definitely be using it. Now I'm gonna split this in half, tighten up that rubber band a little bit so I don't slip. Now I'm putting some edge control on here to just smooth it out, so then once my hair is in the twist, it's not going to be sticking out. And so I'm tucking my hair within that twist, and I'm just going to twist it all the way down. I also use some spritz just to give it some added hold.
show you that you're missed. Summer, summer, summer shine. Summer, summer, summer shine. Will you be mine? Ooh, summer, summer shine. Summer, summer, summer shine. Summer, summer, summer shine.
I have gotten so many compliments on this hairstyle. I took it a step further from what Ciara had. I actually had to make mine a little bit smaller than hers, just because I like this size a bit better. They're not as big, but yeah, this is a go-to style for me, and I absolutely love it.
Will it be you I see? Oh, forever here with me.
Check it out. Here's how it came out. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.